Welcome to Kenton. We are going to do another edition of my small town tours. What's so special about Kenton, you say? Well, that's a good question. As we ride through the town, I'm going to fill you in with a voiceover just because it's way easier as you check out this cool old town. Kenton was originally the site of Fort MacArthur, erected in 1812 by Colonel Duncan MacArthur. It was one of the forts along the line of General William Hall's march against the British headquarters at Fort Detroit during the War of 1812. Kenton became a city in 1886. From 1890 to 1952, Kenton was home to the Kenton Hardware Company. They manufactured locks, cast iron toys, the very popular Gs911 toy cap gun. International Car Company was a manufacturer of rail cabooses that operated in Kenton for many years. PACCAR purchased it in 1975. They were a manufacturer of medium and heavy-duty trucks. In 1983, sadly, they closed. Kenton is approximately 5 square miles in size. As of the 2020 census, they had approximately 7,900 people living there. One of the most notable people that has ever lived in Kenton was a man by the name of Jacob Parrott. He was the first recipient of the Medal of Honor. Wow, I kind of call this area Church Square because all these churches are in one area and they've got some great architecture. Kenton is also famous for the CSX 8888 incident, which is also known as the Crazy Eights incident. There was a runaway train event involving CSX where the engineer got off his train, and the short version of the story, he went to go align a switch that he noticed was misaligned, but through a whole bunch of mishaps and human error, he wasn't able to safely get back on the train. He was drugged for a little while, and another crew had to disconnect their power unit from their train, chase it down, hook up to the back of the train, and they were able to stop it that way. This is the very, very short, abridged version of the story. If you'd like to know all the details, look it up. I got most of that information off Wikipedia. A beautiful mural celebrating the hardware store and the Gs911 cap gun. Okay, I'm sure by now you're riveted and you're wondering where Kenton, Ohio is. Here's a quick screenshot from Google Maps. And if you would, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below. I hope you appreciated this short video with the history and tour of the beautiful downtown Kenton, Ohio. Thanks. We'll see you in the next video.